We are here at one of our favorite places, Southport Raw Bar in Fort Lauderdale.
To take, yeah.
Casino, because they tell you can't videotape people playing.
Yeah.
But you can take your own show.
Oh, yeah, you can, yeah.
So, here, at the perimeter here.
If anybody is looking for a job as a cook, now accepting applications. Here we go. There you go. Oh, thank you, Mark. Okay, here we are. Please seat yourself.
I'm not sure.
They do have a nice selections of shirts to purchase. And you will see why this is one of our favorite places to come. They have a beautiful deck outside, right on the water, the marina. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, thank you. This is the marina side.
And Erica, we come back and Erica's there.
We've been here before when they've had entertainment here at night.
Yeah, sure.
I like her shirt. Shucking fabulous. Hi.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, here we go.
Long Island?
Here is
Oh,
the menu.
No, how many raw oysters?
Oh.
Chicken.
Anything on the seafood menu, unless it's fried scallops, you won't eat it.
They have hamburgers and stuff.
It's good.
That's all I ever have.
This is Alice's favorite. Sandwiches, hoagies, beer, house wine. My favorite is the BLT. So that is the menu.
Yeah, no, you're looking good. Sure thing.
Bacon cheese.
73 pounds since last March.
Excellent. Keep going, man. Yeah.
I was 8 pounds away from 300 pounds last year.
Yeah.
292.
Oh my.
Yeah. I got to 260 myself once, and I guess.
My BLT.
Yeah. Yeah, I get you little by little still, but I'm catching.
Onion rings. You want some onion rings? Want some onion rings? Everything looks wonderful. They do have entertainment here.
And if you lose yourself, you'll find the key. Very nice.
And away we go. Mark's going up to get his bathing suit. We are here at their condo pool. This is beautiful. And this is the other side of the marina where we were. It's another restaurant right
They
across.
play beautiful music.
And that boat's just leaving. And way down as far as you can see, that's the Raw Bar. That's where we just were. What restaurant is this across from the...
I forget, Mark will know the name.
Okay. Yeah, I always...
Quarter deck?
Yeah, it's
Quarter deck. I always admire that. So this is our day.
So even if I took you to your hotel, you have a hotel now?
No, it's a
This.
Airbnb. Yeah.
Yeah,